Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. Today, I'm going to show you how to get most out of your Zoom. So you can make your video much better and you can make your voice much better by doing some software adjustment as well as hardware adjustments, upgrades. So I'm just going to show you on my Zoom.
E-commerce based. Quick tips from Retail-Outsource. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and for our new videos, hit the notification bell.
So if I go to my Zoom, you can see on the video this is how it looks like on the normal camera on my laptop, which is kind of rubbish, and you can see a lot of grains and everywhere. And and it, there are some settings inside. First of all, so there is a one adjust low light. As you can see, it's not that bright, so you can click that option, which makes that video a little bit better. And if you want to touch up your skin, make it smoother, then you can opt for this option. And you can opt for HD. So this is max you can get from a inbuilt camera. But if you have a camera lying around, like a GoPro camera or any other action camera or DSLR camera with a HDMI output, you can use it as a webcam. You just need to buy a cable and an HDMI video capture card. So if you have these two things, it costs maybe less than £15 if you want to buy it. So you can change that. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So I already have it set up here. So I have a action cam and the capture card and everything. So I'm going to switch it over to USB device. So this is, you can see it made me narrow squeeze. So I'm going to switch to HD. So you can see the difference. So the field of view, it's much bigger. So some people might like it, some might not. So inside the camera, on the action camera, you can have this wide view or a standard view or a narrow view. So it's going to zoom. So in this example, I'm going to use the wide view so we can see the hand expressions and everything. So as you can see, the room is dark, so we can just take adjust low. So that's going to make it a little bit brighter. And then you can make your skin smoother. So you can see I put it around 25. So which is okay. So if you can play around to your choice. So this is for the video quality. This one compared to this one. Okay, and for the audio again, the inbuilt mic on the laptop, it's pretty rubbish. So it's better to use a different condenser microphone, USB condenser microphone. I always recommend to either go for toner. I'll show you this one. It's around £32. So you can go for that option. And or if you want a studio quality sound, you can go for Blue Yeti. It's gonna cost £120. And you just have to plug it in, and you can just change the microphone from here. And I always recommend that you put it at least 75. You can check your settings. You can test it. Actually, it will record the voice and it's gonna play it back to you. And regarding the background noise, that's something you really want to exclude from your voice, exclude from the call. So if it's too noisy, then I will recommend go for low. And if it's normal room, you can go for medium. And if it's super quiet, then you can go for high. But you have to download a driver for that. So that's the voice settings, audio settings. And I'm going to show you the setup at the moment. So you can get a GoPro camera for around £40 on eBay. And just to show you. So at the moment, you can see GoPro 3. It's around £39 plus postage. So that's a really cheap webcam. And a USB capture device. So as you can see from the orders. So this is the one. You can capture up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is more than enough for Zoom calls. And that's 699. Then you need a HDMI cable. So have both the Amazon Basic micro HDMI cable to standard one, and that those are the two main important things to get it work. And you can buy a ring light, which will make things better, but don't go for the full brightness. It's gonna blow your video out. So always put, maybe if there is 4 or 5 settings, always put it on 2, brightness 2. That's the best settings. And you can have a tripod if you want to. So these are the setup. You can buy it all on either Amazon or eBay.
And also, if you have a particular area that you want us to cover on our videos, please mention so that we can create them for you. And don't forget, you can also book the 30-minute free consultations from the link in the description below. And, well, if you have any questions on eBay or Amazon or need support. Once again, thank you so much for watching and stay safe.